Good evening, everyone. Welcome to today's exciting session on quantum computing and AI tools, organized by SkillVeda. At SkillVeda, we believe in one simple mission: empowerment. We are committed to empower leaders, teachers, and students so that they can grow together by bringing the latest knowledge, tools, and mindsets to every classroom. The world is changing faster than ever. AI tools are making our work smarter today, and quantum computing is set to become the superpower of tomorrow. This session is not just about technology, it's about building the mindset to stay ahead. We will explore how these tools can make teaching easier, learning more engaging, and school more future ready. Because the one who learn today will lead tomorrow. So let's open our mind, upgrade our skills, and begin this learning journey together. We are honored to have with us our speaker, Ms. Selvi, a CBSE resource person, AI expert, an educationist and consultant, who will share her insights, experiences, and practical strategies that will help you navigate these changes and grow as empowered educators. So let us listen, learn, reflect, and take back ideas that we can implement in our classrooms from tomorrow itself. Welcome, everyone. Welcome, Dr. Milin. Welcome, Selvi ji. Welcome, every educator. Yeah, please.
Yes, Ji. Good evening. Thank you for the great introduction. And good evening to everyone. Good evening and Dhanyavad for the presence. And today, the topic is quantum computing, which sounds something different. So far, teachers would have not even listened. Maybe the engineering college students alone could have listened. You might be thinking, what is something quantum computing? When we are in the world of AI, so suddenly a new trend has come, quantum computing. What is that? Yes, no need to worry. I'm not inviting maths teachers, physics teachers who is something super brainies to learn this quantum computing, how to implement in classroom teaching and all. It's a very, very, very simple concept. And I will ensure completely, I'll make it as activity based session so that you can directly implement this quantum computing, quantum teaching, that strategy of teaching in classroom, definitely in a better way. Yes, I think we can move on to the session. G, shall I start my screen sharing?
Yes, please. Yeah, yeah, you can.
Yes, G. So quantum especially designed for school teachers and educators. What is the purpose of bringing the topic quantum computing? So with simple analogies and classroom ready activities, we are going to do the session today. So this quantum computing, we will try some hands-on simulation activities. Okay, so that is how already we are connected with the world of artificial intelligence. So many AI tools have come, and of course, many teachers they are being like very much used to it. How many here like they've started using like chat? Can respond to?
Ma'am, the voice is breaking.
And speak if in okay. I think I'm getting in chat. Yes, ma'am. Oh, yes, okay. So some of you started using ChatGPT. Yes, that is an AI tool. Manisha Jadhav raised her hand. Okay. Thank you, Manisha ji. So you started using ChatGPT, right? So when you just start asking question, yes, you get all the answers, whatever you're expecting. Otherwise, you will prompt another question and you will get it further. So your question is also never ending. And the answer which is given by ChatGPT is also never ending. So there are multiple answers for a single question, or from one concept, we can ask multiple questions also. That is what here this quantum computing is also going to speak about. So the basic of that AI, the ChatGPT generation and all that is actually based on the principle behind quantum computing. Okay. So with an activity, it's a prepare activity. Okay. So we will start with uh, phone like Google learn karo a QR code. So this
Everyone
is an
has to
activity in slido.com.
scan the QR code.
If you don't know to scan,
Which
okay,
one,
simply type slido.com.
Or Selviji, your voice is breaking in between. People are writing in chat box.
Okay, one
Yeah,
second.
yeah,
Yeah. Just give me a second.
yeah. Till that time, please, all of you scan this QR code. ये QR कोड अपने मोबाइल से स्कैन कर लीजिए.
अच्छा QR कोड हा मोबाईल से स्कॅन करायचा आहे. कसं करायचं?
go in Google. Google is the scanner is there. From there you can scan.
Twinkle ji, am I audible?
Yeah, you are audible. Everyone, can you listen, poor Selviji? Is she audible now? Manisha
Am
ji,
I
now
audible?
she is audible now.
Okay, thank you.
How to scan the QR code? You can open the camera and they can do it from the camera also, na, poor Selviji?
Yes. You can open Google Lens browser है ना होम स्क्रीन में.
आप गूगल पे जाओ, गूगल लेंस टाइप करिए,
See
उसमें
your
जो आएगा
corner.
उससे फिर स्कैन कीजिए इसे.
We can also take screenshot of that screenshot.
स्कैनर में स्कैन करो, अदरवाइज टाइप slido.com.
आप गूगल पे जाके slido.com एंटर कीजिए और फिर ये कोड डालिए उसमें.
हाँ या सही है.
Vaishnavi ji and Manisha ji, you want to say something? You have raised your hand.
No, no.
Manisha ji, you want to say something? Everyone has done it now?
No,
Dr.
ma'am.
Milind?
Yes,
Dr.
ma'am.
Milind, I will share the pics with you. Don't worry, I will share the pics with you. आप ये QR कोड स्कैन कर लीजिए please.
Correct, ma'am.
Yes, everybody has done it, poor Selvi ji.
Okay, so now yes, you can start answering for the question. Future belongs to those who can imagine more than one possibility. Can you see that question in your
Ma'am,
screen?
in mine it is written question closed.
Okay. Yeah, I will open the poll now. Yes, I think people started answering. Yes. It is open, ma'am. Yes, I got 8 votes. I got 8 votes. Yeah. So all participants completed? Okay, 73% of the people said future belongs to those who can imagine more than one possibility. So you're all agreeing that there are more than one possibilities for everyone. So all can imagine for any task, any career options, or any job which they perform, there are more than one possibilities. Okay. So now we will move on to the next question. Please answer to this. The next question. So first question over. Now the next one. All your answers will be on the word wall. You have to type the answer. No, not the third one. Please do the second one. Why do you feel future belongs to those who imagine for multiple possibilities? आपका आंसर टाइप करो. This is a word wall activity.
Everyone can do it, this activity?
Yeah, one started typing.
Okay.
Now only they started typing. First question, 11 members answered. Now this is the second question. First you said future belongs to those who imagine more than one possibility. So everybody can think about more than one possibility. Now, why do you feel? Why you're thinking yes, everybody can? Okay. Answer is world and technology is changing very fast. Okay. Yes, always then we should expect like more possibilities. Oh, second answer is just yes. Third one, according to the possibilities, we choose the way. Exactly, correct. You are right. Yes, people can adapt, spot new chances, build them before others do. If you're choosing multiple possibilities, if you miss one chance, you can immediately go to the next chance. So you have to think about more and more possibilities. We should not end with just single answer. Yes, okay, another 2 members, 3 are typing. I will wait for the response. Yeah, I
Porcelvi
can
ji,
also. Yes, ji.
can we share the QR code Preeti ji is writing?
Okay.
And Mr. Das, what alternative source must be available? I am not getting you for which you are
To
talking
get
about.
alternative source. No. Answer for this question.
Okay. Okay. Okay.
I said like, why do you feel that multiple possibilities are required? No?
Okay.
So he's giving to get
Yeah,
alternate
Deepika ji,
source. Correct.
we are sharing the QR code again. It was sent.
Yes.
Yeah, please.
1 second.
Everybody is asking for the QR.
Can you see on the screen now? Can you see on the screen QR code?
Deepika ji, Preeti ji, can you see the QR code here? On the left side of the screen,
Yeah.
please
Yes,
scan the QR code with the.
I got 2 new answers. Okay. As problems in the modern world are complex and fast changes are happening, multiple possibilities will work better with better ideology. Perfect answer. Very good. Excellent. See, I'm also expecting multiple possible answers from you. I'm checking the multiple possibilities here from here. Critical mind, thinking critically. Okay. This is also a good idea, a good imagination about multiple possibilities. Yes. Okay, fine. We have got good responses. One more participant is typing. I'll get that response and then I will go to the next.
This is
question.
the pre-webinar activity sheet, na, for Selvi ji?
Yes, Ji. Before starting the webinar, like I'm setting the mindset to listen to the session.
Yes, yes.
So this is
नहीं, someone is
connected with.
writing कि आप इसे हिंदी में बताइए, तो आई एम जस्ट सेइंग कि ये प्री वेबिनार
हाँ.
एक्टिविटी शीट है जो हमने ग्रुप में भेजी थी, उसके आंसर्स हैं ये बस. अभी अभी सेशन शुरू, मतलब ऑफिशियली नहीं शुरू हुआ है सच. यस पोर्सिल जी, प्लीज गो अहेड.
Yeah, yeah. Okay. So now we'll move on to the next question. How many uses can you find for a brick? Brick है ना construction purpose को. We are using brick. So what are the uses? Everyone use brick for construction. Other than that, multiple uses. No, give me the word, correct word. What else we can use?
क्वेश्चन है ब्रिक का यूज हम कहाँ कहाँ कर सकते हैं. ब्रिक इज ईट ना, यू आर टॉकिंग अबाउट दैट कंस्ट्रक्शन थिंग.
Construction brick, the same brick,
Yes,
using the
yes.
same brick, what
Yeah.
other things and all we can do. So it is like imagination.
Imagination. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
What other things they can use? Only for houses, building houses, hospital? Only for that? To stand. This is what I want. Something different. Okay, you can stand on the brink. Victory stand. If victory stand is not there, school में victory stand नहीं है. Sports day के, on the day of sports day. What you can do? 3 bricks you can use. 1, 2, 3. Like that. Weight. Very good. Exactly. If weight grams नहीं है metal में, so a brick we can use. Correct. Something else. Think. That is what I want. This is regular use. Apart from regular use, what else? क्या दूसरा काम के लिए brick is used? To construct future generation. Okay. Chula, matlab? Twinkle ji, somebody has typed chula.
It's a village में, it's a stove type of thing
Okay.
where we
Okay,
can
fine,
cook on
fine.
food on that. Chula.
Okay.
It's called chula.
Fine. I'm learning.
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay. So fire. Yes, this is correct. Fire, pit, and like a seat. They use like a seat for campfire. Yes, correct. And some people in South India, what they do? They keep the brick, they apply some turmeric, they keep kumkum, and they pray, worship as God. Yes, they didn't think that as a small brick stone. They worship that as a God also. At times, this all happens. So, see, it is all out of their imagination. their belief also. That is how here when we ask some question to students, students will come with multiple possibilities, not with just one single answer. Okay, here we got some 10, 15 different answers. But in class, you just imagine you will get 100 different answers. We might be wondering, yes? Okay, Homam and Puja, one of them has written here. Homam and Puja, and for filling, pathway, very good. Superb. Okay, garden. Yes, I think good answers we got it. Yes, that's all. So we started with this like warm-up activity, like a pre-webinar, connecting to the pre-webinar worksheet. Yes, now we will move on to the session. Okay. Thank you. You can stop typing. The Slido activity is over. Good responses. Well, excellent, everyone. Good, good. Sabko appreciation hai. Yes. So now we will move on to the next slide. Okay. Now answer to this question. Most schools train children to find one answer. Future innovators learn to find many answers. Do you all agree? This statement को आप सब agree करके हैं? Are you agreeing this? So what about your school? Yes? Okay. In that, now I'll give you one more activity. So chat box में you can type in the chat box for this future newspaper activity. What is this future newspaper? You are going to print today's headlines. You are only going to give today's headlines. What is the date? 2nd June 2050. We are in
26.
2026. So 24 years later, what is going to happen?
ये जो
So,
एक्टिविटी है ये फ्यूचर
this is
फ्यूचर
activity.
फ्यूचर है. इसमें आपको 2050 में आप हो पाए और तब आपकी सुबह की जो हेडलाइन होगी वो क्या होगी ये
क्या
पूछा गया है
होगी?
इसमें.
Yes, if
आप
you
सब
are
चैट बॉक्स में अपना आंसर लिखिए कि अगर आप 2050 में 2 जून को पेपर पढ़ रहे होगे तो पहली हेडलाइन क्या पढ़ोगे आप उसमें.
yes,
दिस
imagine
इज ये सब
future
इमेजिनेशन
imagination.
है. यही एआई है और यही कंप्यूटर क्वांटम कंप्यूटिंग है. इमेजिनेशन.
Yes.
So, ma'am, the headline will be that the Airbus crashed yesterday morning.
ये ये तो आज का अभी भी यही वही हेडलाइन रहती है. सेम ही है ये
मैम
तो.
2050 हम लोग तो जिस एरिया के अकॉर्डिंग बात करेंगे ना मैम 2050 इज अकॉर्डिंग टू दैट एयरबस तो बहुत दूर का है मैम.
पहली
Okay,
पॉजिटिविटी ऑफ
बहुत दूर
2050.
then 2040 को headlines type करो. कोई
ओके.
प्रॉब्लम नहीं.
अगर आप 2050 में न्यूज़पेपर पढ़ रहे हो तो पहली हेडलाइन आप क्या पढ़ना चाहोगे
Yeah.
उसमें वो हमें बताइए आप सब लोग चैट बॉक्स में. एवरीबॉडी हर प्लीज राइट इन द चैट बॉक्स. सब चैट बॉक्स में टाइप कर सकते
See,
हैं.
we all are investing money for future. We are insuring ourselves for future, long-term investment. Then our imagination should be long-term. Our
AI has
patience.
replaced humans. Robotic system is more into process than humans.
Very good. Okay. So one of the headline.
रुचि जी की
Yes.
हेडलाइन पेपर बढ़ता जा रहा है.
Yes. I want one answer from
और
everyone.
सेल्वी जी चेक इन द चैट
Chat
बॉक्स. दे आर
box. Yeah.
राइटिंग.
Okay.
एवरीबडी शुड. आप सब जो भी आपको मन में आ रहा है वो
Yes,
लिखिए
yes.
प्लीज. नोबडी
Whatever
इज हियर
is
टू
it.
जज यू. कोई यहाँ पे जज नहीं करेगा आपको.
You can say in Hindi also.
आप हिंदी में बात कीजिए. मुझे हिंदी बहुत अच्छी आती है. पोर सेल्वी जी साउथ से हैं उन्हें नहीं आती है बट मुझे बहुत अच्छी आती है.
Say, I can understand.
अच्छा यू कैन अंडरस्टैंड.
I
ओके
can understand.
ओके फाइन. रोबोटिक्स. इंडियाज एवरी हाउस हैज अ रोबोटिक्स मेड. पूजा जी लिख
yeah.
रही है. आकाश जी इज राइटिंग पॉल्यूशन इंक्रीज.
Okay.
आकाश जी 2050 तक मुझे लग रहा है पॉल्यूशन थोड़ा कंट्रोल में आएगा. वी विल हैव सो मेनी टेक्नोलॉजीज, न्यू टेक्नोलॉजीज, कि हम उसे कंट्रोल में कर पाएंगे शायद.
High generator technology. Okay. India's every house has robotics made. What about school? School में, classroom में,
Online teaching will be trending.
online teaching will be trending. Whether teachers will teach or robots will teach.
Robots, definitely.
Okay. What about principal? Can we expect robotic principal?
Yes, ma'am, definitely. When the AI are going to displace the humans, so
Ah,
anything
Yeah,
can be
some
replaced.
schools will try.
anything
Yeah,
can
some schools will
happen.
try.
Yes,
Definitely.
correct. So we
Ma'am,
are under state. Yes,
ma'am,
sir.
retirement of textbook.
Retirement of
yes.
textbook, exactly. Completely screens replace textbooks. Yes. Okay, every child having their own robot teacher. Okay. Every child will create their own robot teacher also according to customize. They will customize their teacher.
Yes, very true. No one can replace teacher.
No
ये तो
one
that's
can replace. Yes,
yeah,
yes.
that's very true.
That is very true. Yes. Digital textbook, notebook, okay. AI chef. Uh-huh. Learns how to make mom's rajma chawal. Fantastic, Sanjana ji. Okay. Robots will check the exam copy. Correct.
अभी तो वो
correction
डिजिटल
करने
तो
के
अभी शुरू
लिए.
कर ही दिया है, इस साल से
Correct.
डिजिटली ही शुरू तो.
CBSE has done digital correction.
Yeah, exactly.
So that is scanning. Now, after that, everything robo will scan, robo will correct, everything it will do. Yes, students make their AI. Okay, already students have started making AI projects, lot of projects. Yes, they are very competent. Okay, good, very good responses. Okay, so nice activity. I just wanted to take you after a few years. That's why this activity is given. Some of the possibilities I listed. Cancer cured in one day. Now we don't have medicine till today. People are suffering from cancer. And 15 people they're getting cancer very easily. And the rate statistical reporting is increased. Schools without exam. Yes, children are bored in writing exam. So they are not thinking exam as a festival. They are thinking exam as a headache. We can have flying school buses. Traffic is more. Yes. So to reach school on time, it is difficult, both for teachers as well as for students. So flying school buses may come. AI principal will be elected. So all these can also happen in 2050. Agree? Yes. These are all innovation. Yes, of course, it is innovation. When this innovation begins, it begins with possibility thinking. We are thinking about more possibilities. What else could happen? Yes, that's possibility thinking brings innovation. So this possibility thinking brings critical thinking also. Creative thinking also. So the critical thinking and creative thinking together leads to innovation. That is where the updation in technology is also heading every day. Clear? Okay.
Okay, madam.
Thank
Okay.
you.
Okay,
Yes.
clear.
Now, another small activity. This is related to our classroom scenario. Yes. In classroom, mostly PT teachers will find this very often. I will read one story. Okay, one story at different points. While reading story, you will decide what happens next. I will give options also, then you will decide. There is no one correct path. See, for every point, you will get 4 options. It is not going to be one correct answer. All the answers may also be correct. I will read the story first. You can just listen to me. I'm audible, right? To everyone?
Okay, madam.
Yeah.
Yes.
It is
Yes, ma'am,
Monday
audible.
morning. I'm reading story. Please listen. It is Monday morning. Arjun. Yes, name of the student, Arjun. Class 8 student. Okay, 8 कक्षा में पढ़ता हूँ. Wakes up suddenly. He looks at the clock. It is 8:15 a.m. 15 minutes later than 8 a.m. So 8 baje 15 minutes. He is waking up at that time. School starts at 8:30 a.m. So school starting time 8:30 a.m. He is shocked. Only 15 minutes hai. Right? How he will get ready to school? He is shocked. His alarm didn't ring. He kept alarm in mobile. It didn't ring at all. His school bag is not packed. Previous day he studied. He kept his book on the table. It is not packed. His homework is incomplete.
Poor Selvi ji, let
Yeah.
me explain this activity to everyone. हाँ.
Yes जी. First I will finish
ये
this.
एक एक्टिविटी है जिसमें एक बच्चा बहुत लेट उठा. उसका वो 8 बजे का स्कूल है, लेकिन वो 8:15 बजे उठा है स्कूल में जाने के लिए. उसका स्कूल बैग भी पैक नहीं है और उसे तैयार होकर स्कूल भी जाना है.
Okay. The school bus already left.
स्कूल बस भी जा चुकी है उसकी. अब उसके पास हाँ.
Now.
He is attending the online class.
Wait, G. Yeah, options I will give. Options. I will give.
Options.
Correct. You are correct. One option is that. Nitin ji,
Okay.
you are absolutely correct.
Okay, madam.
बहुत active hai. Yeah. Arjun has only few minutes to decide. Few minutes घंट हैं to decide. Okay. What options to decide? 4 options हैं. उनके लिए, अर्जुन के लिए. Run to school immediately. Option A. Option A, run to school immediately. Option B, call the class teacher. So class teacher को phone करके लिए situation को explain करना चाहिए. So अर्जुन को second option है. Third option, attend class online if possible. नितिन जी, आपका option है.
Yes, ma'am.
Third
Yes,
option,
yes.
option C. Fourth option, ask a neighbor for help. Like neighbor लोगों है ना, so उनके लिए मदद. तो मुझको मदद कीजिए, स्कूल बस जाए. So like that, Arjun will go and approach. Okay, 4 options. I will repeat. First option, run to school immediately. दौड़ करने के लिए स्कूल जाता. Second, then call the class teacher and explain the situation. Third option, C. Option C. Attend online class if possible. Online class को सब कुछ तैयार करना चाहिए ना. Otherwise, teacher
Yes,
भी,
yes.
teacher also should start. Students also should start. Connectivity, all that. Next, option D. Ask neighbor for help.
He
Okay,
can either
4
go
options.
for B or C. He can either go
C.
for B or C, but C, if there is no possibility of online class, he can't attend the online class. So
Very
it's
good.
better he gives a call for his teacher and explain the situation so he can get some extra time to reach out the school and he can attend
Okay,
his other classes.
very good. So maybe first
It is
period
a very.
alone. First period alone he will miss and he can go. Okay, I did this picturization for this complete story. Right? I did this. I actually did using Notebook LM. It is an AI tool. I will teach you now. The next activity is that I will teach you. First, we'll finish this activity. I will get answers from you. Then we will do this. Okay.
और सेल्वी जी कहना चाह रही है ये जो बनाया है उन्होंने वो नोटबुक एलएम से बनाया है. नोटबुक एलएम एक एआई का टूल है जिससे आप अपना कोई भी पिक्चराइजेशन बना सकते हो. कोई भी पिक्चर, पोस्टर, क्रिएटिव आप उससे बना सकते हो. नोटबुक एलएम. अभी पोर सेल्वी जी आपको वो सब समझाएंगी. यस,
Okay.
प्लीज
So
गो अहेड.
now, see this option A, B, C, D. What if it is? Suppose I will go to that notebook LM. I will show now already what I did. Suppose if Arjuna is choosing option A, run to school immediately. What happens? Run to school immediately. Is anyone choosing option A? Yes, this is morning sprint to bell. School bell. में क्या किया? इधर this is notebook LM है. Okay. Gemini notebook. See, first notebook LM. You can type notebook LM in the browser.
आप अपने गूगल में नोटबुक LM NOTEBOOK टाइप कीजिए और ये इसके सामने वाला पेज आएगा फिर.
Yes. Home
Everyone
page.
should type notebook LM in the Google or browser, please.
नोटबुक LM मोबाइल ऐप भी आएगा.
If anyone has any problem, please let us know. हिंदी में, इंग्लिश में, जिसमें भी आपको मैं आपको ट्रांसलेट कर दूंगी हर चीज. नॉट अ प्रॉब्लम.
This home page.
मेक रिपीट वंस मोर. नोटबुक LM पोर सेल्वी जी, आप एक बार चैट बॉक्स में टाइप कर दीजिए.
Yeah. Okay. Okay.
नोटबुक LM.
Okay. Notebook LM.
प्लीज चेक. आप चैट बॉक्स देखिए, उसमें हमने मेंशन कर दिया है नाम नोटबुक LM. जो भी स्मार्टफोन यूज करते हैं या जिनके पास भी मोबाइल है, प्लीज टाइप नोटबुक LM.
What next, ma'am?
Everybody has opened that notebook LM.
You got this home page?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Now click try Gemini notebook. और दूसरा टैब में नोटबुक ओपन कर दिया. If it is asking for login, give your Gmail ID to login or sign up. First time login, no? Login through Gmail ID. Have you all opened? You got this page?
No, that page
No?
is not being displayed.
Okay. Sign up. So create notebook. Create new notebook आएगा. तो plus symbol create notebook
Yeah, I got the create
आएगा.
notebook.
Create notebook आएगा ना. See, ये मेरा notebooks है. पहले what I have created before, all those notebooks. हाँ.
Okay.
कोई problem नहीं. वो आप in your screen you will not get this. This is my notebooks, my library. So create notebook
Yeah,
आएगा ना. Create new notebook.
it's just displaying let's get started. Create your first notebook below and
Create
it's
your
given an
first
option,
notebook.
create
Yes,
notebook.
yes. Correct. सही है. So click create new notebook.
Okay.
Okay.
Yeah,
Now this dialog
it
box
is
में
the options,
can-
it has given the options to type.
yes, yes. Now this dialog box में you can upload a YouTube video or any website link or any files. Story files हैं, otherwise any summary है. So उनका files already system में है ना. You can upload. See example. Click upload files. See, I have late student story है इधर. Okay, late student story as a document I saved it. Okay, ये फाइल मेरा कंप्यूटर डिस्क में है. I am uploading to notebook LM. Yes. So एक click करो and click open. O file. This file will get appended and you can see the content also. Can you see what is happening? The decision making. This is actually through the story of Arjun, a student who woke up late. We explored different choices. Yes. And this is actually an example for quantum computing superposition. The name of the terminology in quantum computing is one of the component of quantum computing, superposition. You know, I placed one vessel. Upon that, if I keep another thing, it is like superposition, superimposing. So we are not stopping with one choice. We are exploring multiple choice. Someone scribble. I will disable. Yes. Okay.
Please don't scribble on the PPT.
I disabled it. They can't do now. Yes. Okay. So now, see the story summary is here. The story summary, what I gave in this document. What story I read? No, I was reading that story. Same story is here in the document. I uploaded and the story came here. If you want something else, we can do another one also. We can do another one also, not an issue.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes.
Basically, whatever we upload over here, it gives us a story of that thing.
Story of that, like a summary of that. It gives.
Okay, because
now,
yeah, just now I
yes.
have pasted a YouTube video
Yes.
which relates to rocks and minerals topic of grade 5, and it is
Correct.
given the summary of the entire video.
Exactly. Summary of the entire video or whatever the content, that summary, AI will give this summary. Okay. So even if you give 3 pages, 5 pages or 10 pages material document is uploaded, it gives just the summary. Now, what do you want to do? We can create flashcards. We can create mind map. We can create that visual representation, no, infographic. I did it here. I showed you here, no. This we can create, okay, like that. Yes, all these we can do it. Now I will just create infographic. If you click infographic, only आपका job click करना. That's it. Only click करने के लिए you will get one visual presentation. The document को upload करो, further फिर click करो. Infographic, आपको visual presentation चाहिए, infographic को click करो. आपको क्विज चाहिए, ये सेम समरी के लिए क्विज चाहिए, ओके, क्विज में क्लिक करो. मुझको फ्लैश कार्ड्स चाहिए, सो मैं अभी फ्लैश कार्ड्स क्लिक करा. वही तो. सो माइंड मैप चाहिए ना, क्लिक माइंड मैप. So abhi 2 documents is generating 2 components. One is mind map and one is infographic. Infographic is picture presentation, like a visual representation. You can create poster. You can paste it in your notice board. You can use it for assembly. A complete story, complete lesson ko full concept map visually you can prepare. You can prepare.
इससे notes, we can prepare the notes also, na, from this notebook.
Yes, ji. Yes, we can do.
Yes. We can poster बन सकते हैं, slide show.
Slide deck is there. Slide deck is also there.
Yes.
Very good presentation भी बन सकता है.
Presentation भी इससे बन सकती है. Yes. मतलब अगर हम किसी चैप्टर का समरी, इसमें समरी बन जाएगी तो उसकी अपने आप पीपीटी बन जाएगी, ऐसा है.
Yeah, this is summary. This summary is like AI summary for it's understanding. See, this is our textbook page. We have uploaded. ebook upload करने के लिए. So first summary will be generated by AI. Okay. Then we have to click what we have to do.
Ruchi ji, you want to ask something?
Ruchi ji?
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, if it is a big file, like around about a PDF of 200 pages or something like that,
Okay.
is it possible to get a PPT of it?
You can get it, but PPT maximum up to 20 slides, like that you will get. 25 slides also you will get. Not much more than that. You divide into topic, ma'am. If more lessons are there, 200
If I am
pages.
putting any document, very frankly, I'm asking for my PhD thesis PPT. I thought if I
Okay.
can take help from it,
Ma'am, please
I'm just
try.
asking. Like I have to
Leave
prepare a
certain
PPT
pages.
for my Viva. So can I put my thesis PDF in this and I
Sure,
can get a
Ruchiji.
PPT regarding it?
Yes, Ruchiji, what you do? Go to PDF editor. Exact content है ना, उसका page number
Hmm.
alone, please note it down. Leave
हाँ content
other
है
thing,
हाँ
leave other things, extra bibliography and other whatever extra information and all you leave it. Exact
okay
content page number note करने के लिए PDF
हाँ
editor जाने के बाद अब separate PDF you make it.
okay
Okay, from that 200 pages, shrink it to some 50 to 100 page like that.
हाँ okay got it now.
Then that you can upload here. Give it
Okay,
here,
fine.
it will give you everything.
Okay.
So still,
Thank you so much.
if you want, no, maybe 5
Yeah.
to 10 pages separately focusing on one topic.
I can take out one slide,
That is easy.
particularly one slide for one content then, if
That is
possible.
very
Though.
easy. Create 5
Okay,
PPTs,
okay.
then you manually merge it. You
Yeah,
can
got it
download.
now.
You can download also. We can manually
Okay.
merge it. Okay. So
Thank you so
now,
much, ma'am.
yeah. I will show you this infographic now. You see. See, Arjun, 8:15 a.m. crisis. I will elaborate the screen and show. Yeah. Can you see? You can just click this plus symbol, zoom in and zoom out while teaching to the students. Yes, what is happening? See, you can zoom in and zoom out, like which part you want to show to student, you can do it. Yes. We can download also. More options, download. It gets downloaded in our system. I will download. See now when I'm downloading, it has come here. I'm showing through the arrow. Can you see? It is downloaded. Yeah. Very nice visual presentation. Poster. Yes, 8:15 a.m. He missed the bus. What he should do? Arjun woke up late. Complete story is here. Now, what are the options? So, ethics versus punctuality. Then, power of alternative solution. Whether he can go for online, as Nitin ji stated. No, this online is also there. Digital adaptability. Next is community engagement. So, because the story I didn't complete. I've given this as an activity. See, when Arjun is choosing an option, no, when he is running to school, he runs to school. He has chosen option A, 15 minutes time. Okay, we can run and go to school within 5 minutes. When he has thought that option, on the way while going to school, when he was running, yes, when he meet a child crying on the road, he met a child crying on the road. Whether he will help that child or not. Says another question arises from that option. I will show you that in the mind map. I will close this. You see, mind map is generated. Story map. This is called as mind map or story map. I will show that.
प्लीज किसी को भी इफ यू हैव एनी डाउट प्लीज यू कैन आस्क नाउ। किसी को
Yes.
कुछ भी पूछने हैं आप प्लीज पूछ सकते हैं। ये सब नोटबुक एलएम पे ही हम कर रहे हैं। आपको नोटबुक एलएम में जब आप ओपन करेंगे तो ये सब चीजें वहीं मिलेंगी आपको।
So many tabs are open. I will close all these because it is taking time.
नोटबुक एलएम में एनी डाउट प्लीज यू कैन गो अहेड प्लीज आस्क out on notebook LM if you have
Okay.
any doubt.
I will show already what I have created is also there. This still since it is taking time to open. Just wait. Okay. See, already I have created the story mind map. I will show you. See, it's decision again. So choice of 1 or 2 or 3. When I click over, can you see here the complete story is here? View source. Can you see? Can you see on the screen? When I click option 1, source is there. Then when I click option 2, the source source is also shown. What I uploaded the story only. The story begins, it's Monday morning, Arjun, a class 8 student. Twinkle ji,
Eknath
see
ji,
there
just a minute, poor
on the
service,
top?
just a minute, poor. Eknath ji, when you will open Google now, you have to write notebook LM there only. Google Chrome or Google, whatever is there, you just write notebook LM. It will show you the results.
Okay, madam.
Yeah. Yes, yes.
Open करने को any problem है? Google notebook
he
LM?
is asking where.
Okay. I don't know why this is taking such a long time. Open. Okay, I will show the flashcards generated. Already flashcards also generated. I will show that again. This is how the mind map looks like. I can show you the mind map. Just a second. Yeah, this is the mind map actually. Similar to this. Yeah, can you see? This is for some other topic, not that same topic. This how like mind map is generated. I downloaded also. You can see the mind map. See, for example, like our story first, Arjun, 4 options. And the option A, if we are choosing, what we will get. And option B, if we choose, what we will get. Like that, the mind map goes for further classification. See, animal tissues, there are different types of tissues. And then again, the classification it goes. Again, specific types of tissues. Then traits again. If you click this right arrow mark hai na, if you click this, you will get another branch. So the branches will come again and again. This is about mind map. So this will be a very good medium as a tool you can use for teaching. This is a sample mind map. I'll reopen Google Notebook LM. I think it's taking such a long time for me. I'll just reopen and get back. Okay, anyway, in the meanwhile, like we'll see here also. This is what the mind map which I created, I copy and pasted here in the presentation. So you can see here, raise against the school bell. Initial situation, Arjun, class 8 student, 8:15 a.m., school starts 8:30. The problems. What are the problems? When I click this problem, I will get different problems. Then decision option, run to school, call the teacher, attend online, ask neighbor. Then educational conclusion is future thinking. So each and every option further, I will give different other sub options. I will give some other sub options. So when arrow mark is there, you have further classification. So everything has further classification. So that is what it is not. We can't stop the possibilities at all. We have multiple possibilities. For all the 4 options, multiple possibilities are available. So decision making is not that easy. But if once one decision is taken on the way, there are multiple possibilities to change the decision also. This is how the future thinking is connecting to everyday life situation. All these. So that's this AI tool will be really helpful for us in doing all that classroom activity. So once again, those who didn't do the notebook LM, just type notebook LM. That's all. When you type notebook LM itself, you will get Gemini notebook AI research or try Gemini notebook. You can click this. Try Gemini notebook. This is home page and then go to try Gemini notebook. Yeah, all my notebooks came here. Yes, if you want to create a new notebook, you can click plus and create new notebook. If you are using already created notebook, yes, you can use the created notebook. See, this Lion and the Mouse story. This is another story. Lion and the Mouse YouTube video I uploaded, and one chapter also is there. This is about Lion and the Mouse. And what happens here? The curriculum map is there.
Pooja ji,
Flashcards is
for
there.
Selvi ji, can we make
Yes,
questions for exam
we
from
can
this?
do. We
from
can
this
do
tool?
flashcards and fable quiz alone. Quiz and flashcards we can do, G. Not like question paper.
Pooja ji, we will be telling you that app also.
That we will say.
Yes.
Yeah. Here we can do all visual presentations. Teaching aids. Teaching aids we can do. Flashcards, mind map, poster, quiz. Okay. And then slides. All these. This audio and video, it is for podcast. Mostly this will not be helpful for students and teachers. So all the other thing we can do. Reports we can do, data table also, like a tabular column. If you want to make something, we can make like a tabular column. Same data you want to make like tabular column, you can make it. That you can do it. See, this is all like curriculum map. If any one is opening immediately, I will show. I'm just checking. Okay, for worksheet, I will go to another tool. Magicschool.ai. You can type Magic School AI. Can you see Magicschool.ai? You can just type.
Everybody can do it. अपने Google browser पे magicschool.ai टाइप कीजिए आप.
Magicschool.ai, Google search. Here also
सर्च जब आप करें गूगल सर्च करेंगे उसमें magicschool.ai स्पेलिंग भी सामने दी हुई है, आप प्लीज टाइप कीजिए अपने मोबाइल पे.
पहले भी आ सकता है ना. Magicschool.ai top most. Click.
We will be giving you notes also, don't worry. तो आपको notes भी मिलेंगे इसके, आप उसमें भी पढ़ के देख सकते हैं फिर.
Next is login. You have to log in with your Google ID. This is still, I think today something wrong with the Google Notebook LM. It is not opening, taking time.
Maybe it's taking time.
Yeah. We are working simultaneously, Noji. So many apps are open.
That's why it's taking time.
Yes. So this is magicschool.ai. Yeah. So you can type anything and you will get it. You want lesson plan? We can create. You want worksheet? Yes, you can do. Report card comment? You can do. You write some text. Okay. Let it be some normal language, in English language. If you are not good at English, or if it is going to be posted in social media, you wanted a flavory language, you can use text rewriter. And you can rewrite it. It is possible. So what you wanted to create, you can ask. If there is a chatbot here, Raina will also help you. So if that help is not required, just you can type anything and you will get it. See, just click all tools. all tools. This is all the tools. You can see 80 plus teacher tools available in this magicschool.ai. Click that. You will get all the 80 plus tools now. Yes. First is tools, image generator, song generator. We can generate one song and see now. Text rewriter, okay. Listen plan, worksheet generator, quiz, assessment. You can conduct test also. Presentation, slides you
इसमें
can create.
क्वेश्चन पेपर बन सकते हैं पूजा
Ah,
जी?
yes, yes, जी,
पूजा
yes,
जी
yes,
आपका
yes.
आंसर ये रहा, आप पूछ रहे थे ना क्वेश्चन पेपर कहाँ
We
बनेंगे,
can.
दिस इज द आंसर
तो
फॉर
आपका
दैट.
आपका वर्कशीट चाहिए या क्वेश्चन पेपर चाहिए? Both are similar, but if it is for assessment, you can do like MCQ, quiz or assessment, or worksheet means based on any topic. So if it is worksheet, click worksheet. Second. Text rewriter has come. Worksheet, why? What? Yes, it has come. Now, which grade go? Third grade? Shall we go for third grade?
let them reply. या आप
Yes.
कोई भी आके बताइए प्लीज कौन सी क्लास का आप चाहते हैं कोई वर्कशीट. मिस्टर दास
सा
आप
क्लास को
बताएंगे
कौन सा क्लास को
Yeah.
वर्कशीट चाहिए?
या प्लीज बताइए. एनी ऑफ योर स्कूल टीचर कैन टेल कौन सी क्लास के लिए वर्कशीट चाहिए.
7th class, madam.
7th class. Okay,
Okay.
सब्जेक्ट बोलिए जी.
Mathematics, sir.
मैथमेटिक्स में क्या टॉपिक है?
ये मैथमेटिक्स में
हाँ,
LCM, SCF.
LCM and HCF.
SCF and
Okay.
Yes,
So
yes.
create
highest
a
common factor and
worksheet.
lower common factor.
Create a worksheet.
LCM,
On-
SCF.
Okay, grade 7.
वो we have mentioned already, 7th grade.
7th grade. Okay.
Yeah.
क्या type of questions
MCQ चाहिए या डिस्क्रिप्टिव चाहिए, ये भी पूछते हैं क्या?
Both?
हाँ.
Both also we can do.
MCQ. Multiple choice question, madam.
MCQs.
True or
MCQs.
false. I
Multiple
will give
choice
this also. True or false. Then solve करने के लिए. Okay. Solve
Open-ended.
based questions.
Vijayananjali is writing
Open-ended. Very good. Yes. Open-ended.
हाँ.
Short answers. All these we can do. Yes. आपके लिए any files, ebook, anything है, we can also add. We can add. It will be added in the worksheet. That can also be done. Add file. Okay. Then
कोई भी
madam.
फाइल हो we can add in the add file.
Okay,
that
madam.
textbook, ebook, anything you can add. Syllabus. Okay. Then just click generate. So it is passage-based question. The least common multiple, some passage is given, and then fill in the blanks. Like a comprehension-based question. It has created concept LCM and HCF concepts and application. So it has given a passage and then fill in the blank, then multiple choice questions, and then open-ended questions. All the answer key also. So now teacher have to just verify. आप verify करने के लिए download and then print करो. Finish. It's very easy. School का logo चाहिए, place करो. So how to download this? It is there. You can print. Click here, print, or you can just copy or export as Google documents, or print करने के लिए PDF or Word. save as PDF, or you can change it. Like this is PDF. Or if you want to save as Word, like see more, you can, mostly PDF only we can do it. Yes, and then from PDF you can convert to Word.
Okay.
That can also be done afterwards.
Madam, without book question नहीं है ना?
क्या जी?
Without book
Sorry?
question no.
Third book also questions we can. grade 7 लिखना है ना इधर.
हाँ 7th लिखना है. Without book no
this
question
is
no. हाँ.
this is no. This is 7th standard LCM HCF.
Okay sir. Madam. Okay madam.
One more time we can create for grade 3.
Yes.
Multiple times we can do.
Okay madam.
Okay. So now save करने के लिए as a PDF we'll get question. Over.
Thank you.
We got it. Like LCM HCF worksheet 7th grade save. Yes.
Oh.
Now worksheet is ready. So same way. Yeah, worksheet is ready. Either we can just scroll and see completely. This is worksheet. Now I'll move back. Again, all tools. Go to all tools. Lesson plan भी बना सकता है. Lesson plan को same. Okay, third grade चले do. Third grade maybe science topic, photosynthesis or importance of sunlight. We'll take like importance of light energy and its uses is better. I think that it will be. Light energy and its importance. Okay, that's going to be the topic. If you have some file with you, textbook file, you can take a photo, add here. See, just simple, add, upload file. If you click upload file, then this screen will come. So maybe if you keep in your documents, click documents, any file, whatever you have, you can take. Or if it is in downloads, if you have already downloaded in your computer, then that you click it, select and click it. So which path that you should know. If there is any picture related to light energy, just click some picture and then click open. That's all. Select the file, click open. That gets uploaded. I'm cancelling now. I don't have any light energy and its importance file. If you want, or you can go to ChatGPT, collect some, ChatGPT, I will go. And then get some idea. ChatGPT or Gemini, anything. Without logging in also, you can do it. Or with logging in also, you can do it. I will just click ChatGPT. I'll go here. I'll just ask about, give me the uses of, give me the content about light energy and its uses for grade 3 to create my lesson plan and assessment sheet. So when I ask ChatGPT, it is giving some answer, right? This you can copy paste. Completely you can copy paste. Make it as a Word file and then upload here also. You will get. See, all these, like whichever you want, you can copy paste. Not an issue. I will just copy. You can open a Word, Notepad or Word. Just paste it. That's all. File. Save as. I'm taking in my downloads. Grade 3 science document. Save. Grade 3 science document is there with me. I'm going to upload now. I'm closing ChatGPT. ChatGPT is over. Light energy importance. Add. Upload file. I have created the file now. The file is there with me. Grade 3 science document. Click that file. Click open. File is added. Now, Additionally, you want to set any standard, CBSE, ICSE, or any other board, which board, any other country standard you want, you can click that, because lesson plan in every school is different. Assessment sheet in every school also, the standard will differ. IGCSE, ICSE, all that. We can keep that also. Additional condition you can give. Next, just generate. Otherwise, if you don't have conditions, just click generate. That's all. Now it will generate a lesson plan, very nice lesson plan, and then you can edit wherever you want, and then you can submit as your final copy into school Monday morning. It's very easy. Hardly within 5 to 10 minutes, you can finish it off. You don't want to sit and write for 1 hour plan, and it will give with activity also, it will give you. See, you can see the difference. Look at. So what are the things you got from this? Understanding light energy and its importance. First is learning objective. This we all will write. Then what assessment? For formative assessment, what activity you can conduct? Like a dark box activity, classroom activity, ask some questions, follow-up questions. That is formative assessment. Then summative assessment. Summative, what draw and label and then write 3 to 4 points about it. All these you can write. Next is opening, motivation question. And then closing, guided practice, what you need to do. Then differentiation. See, for third level, second level, some pre-questions you should do. Check the previous knowledge. And then third level. And then fourth level also. Fourth standard level. To that level, lesson plan is created. And then quick activity, you can review the extension or exploration. All these you can get it. Again, you can just copy paste, otherwise go to this print plus PDF. Yes, lesson plan is clear. Any doubt? Already worksheet I told you, assessment I told you, presentation also you can do. Go to all tools again. You can go to all tools. You can just click here, presentation generator. Third grade, how many slides you want? Maximum how many slides? 20 slides only it's there. You can create any number of slides. So if you want 10 slides, what is the topic? I'm adding the same file. I'm uploading the same lesson plan file itself. I'm uploading grade 3 science content. What I got from ChatGPT, I'm uploading. And then I'm just giving generate. You see, you will get slides. This is slide 1, content. Slide 2, content. Then slide 3. So all those 10 slides, you can even use Google Notebook LM, or this is also easier. Pretty easier. Yes, slide 10. Last slide is more uses of light, nature and technology. That's it. So if you are okay with this, you can just click OK. Scroll down. Continue the conversation means you can just say yes or no, whatever is it. So this is about the slide. You can just now you can manually create a PPT by taking this, and you can copy there in your PPT. See, this is creating an outline for PPT. That's all. If you upload also, if you export to Word or documents, you can do, but not to PPT. This is not like PowerPoint presentation generator. This is just a presentation slide generator. So slide alone, like ChatGPT also gives the same, similar to that only. But if you want animated presentation, Google Notebook LM will do animated way, or you can go for Gamma AI, Gamma presentation. Gamma, Canva and all, you can do it. Now shall we do one song? Shall we try one song? Already we did one song also for teachers. See what you can do, all these Skill Veda also one song we did.
Yes,
Happy
yes.
learning. Happy learning to teachers. We did last session. I think we did this Skill Veda song also. Yes, this is done in this Magic School AI only. So if you want to create a song, you have to go. This is search song. Create means just click create. As of now, you can create only one language, English language song here. Other languages are not allowed. It's taking time. Okay, it's loading still, since it is loading it. Okay, I will show you this. You can tell me, can you hear or not? Yes, it has come. Okay, educational song we can create for light energy and its users. For that also we can create a song for light energy, grade 3 to 5. Okay, classic, schoolhouse, rock. This you can change it to any type of music song style. You have some pop, hip hop, nursery rhyme. If I put nursery rhyme, you will get like that. Commercial jingle means you will get like an advertisement music, whatever is it. I'll put nursery rhyme. Then you can just give next. It will write lyrics and show you. You can select how many okay. Light energy comes from the sun up, shining down from blue sky and all that. I will take only verse 1 and 2, not so many. This much bigger song I don't want. Let's take verse 1. Chorus is there. That alone I will take. Remaining, because our data is important and time also important. That's why. So it is the student's choir generate song. Now it will start to generate. But you can do only one for 1 week. Can you see here? 0 bar 1 this week. One song only allowed in free version.
It's playing. We can't.
No, it is generating song, G.
Okay, it's generating.
It
It's
is
taking
generating.
time in
Yeah,
generating.
over.
Okay.
Can you hear?
No.
No. Okay, I have to enable. It is playing. I'll stop. 1 second. I have to stop sharing and restart again. 1 second, G.
Energy
Can you hear? Okay.
comes
Yes,
from
yes.
the sun up high, shining down from the bright blue sky. It travels so fast, so very fast indeed. Light energy, something that we all need. Light energy, bouncing all around for you and me. Light energy, making all the bright as can be.
Okay, so this is how like we can continue generating, but weekly one only we can generate, only one music generator, one song only we could generate for 1 per week. You can even try like your parallel teachers can generate something else and then you can reuse it. Subject wise, you can do it and repeat it for the other classes also, same way. And go to all tools. Here the same lesson plan I showed you, worksheet generator I showed you. Okay, questions, presentation like slide outline, and then now multiple assessment choices, quiz assessment and worksheet generator both are similar, almost similar. And then lesson plan also. Text to translate is also there. Here, like text to translator. So which language is provided here, you can do it. So language translate to, I will give Hindi. I will type I'll paste some original text. Maybe I'll take some English text. The same document I will take. Currently, light energy, and will get in Hindi. Yes. This is a complete lesson plan. I will copy, Control C, complete lesson plan in English. Now I'm going to get it in Hindi. Or else you can add file also. We can do that also. Now just click generate, you will get in Hindi. Oh. Can you see now? After adding the file, it is translating to Hindi. The full lesson plan you will get in Hindi now. So Hindi medium school mein the same light energy and it uska uses.
इसमें language भी change हो जाती है ना?
Yeah. Basic, some few languages, not all the 18 languages.
Yeah.
Few
Hindi
important
it
languages.
will be there in
Hindi is there. Hindi is there, Tamil is there, Telugu is there. Like most of the regional languages, it is
regional languages are there.
Available. Okay, French, German, it's also there. Fine. So this is about text translation. So this magicschool.ai has so many other tools, as I told you. But some of the important tools where teachers can use it, that I told you now. Okay, and Google Notebook LM, you can create poster, you can create mind map, quiz, slides, presentation slides, animated slides itself you'll get. Visually with colorful slides. You can get a transition effect, animation effect, everything. Here you will get only outline, but in Google Notebook LM, you can create one more Gamma AI is there. Gamma, Gamma. There also you can create presentation. Same method like how I typed here. Same thing. Yes. So this is about the mind map, that activity we have done. So what is that? Even with one story, it is like a multiple solution challenge. This concept is known as ideation. This is one of the component of quantum computing. Ideation, superposition, and then we have entanglement is another concept. So what actually we wanted to say for teachers, traditional thinking often searches for only one correct answer. We should not go to class and ask, what is the correct answer? Instead, the question should be asked in way, what are all the things may be correct? How many correct answers are possible? Okay, so which answers and all you can find out. You are assuming it as correct. So when you ask such question, they will not end up with one answer. Okay, don't say like only one, if one has given the answer, yes, you are right, you are excellent. What about others? It is wrong. No, you should not be like that. Why not? Why not the wrong may be right? Ask them to think in such way. So future thinking explores many possible answers. The quantum computing has emerged because of that only. This is because of quantum computing. See, normally in computer, bits, bytes, we have on, off switches. But in quantum computing, between on and off, how many are there? Between two numbers, we have n
possibilities,
numbers.
n number of possibilities.
Same. That is what quantum computing. So, bring that concept in our classroom teaching. Then we can make the students to think rationally. The critical thinking, we are boosting creativity. Their critical thinking develops, innovation develops. And that's where the future possibilities will explore into multiple ways. So the best teachers will not rush to answers. They will pass. They will get the answers from students until they discover enough possibilities. So this is what the main aim of the session is about, quantum computing. Hope any doubts so far? Do you have any doubts?
Any questions regarding the AI tools, Magic School AI, Notebook LM, please go ahead. Anyone? Any query?
Madam, regarding quality audio and video, how we can
Yes.
select the quality audio and video? There are so many videos, no, but quality audio video, how we can select?
HD based on HD clarity. But if you want to download in system, AI generated videos and all, always it will give audio, video, images, everything. It will create a good quality only, sir. But when you are
Okay.
presenting in the same, see now I played that. When you're downloading, it will ask. If it is pro version, you can download with the quality audio. But when you want to download without like the free version, then it will ask what is the standard. So pixels will be reduced. If pixel is reduced, the quality may be reduced. That is all. But this Magic School AI will not actually ask us to reduce the audio which we have created. Video in this we can't generate. For generating videos, we have some apps like InVideo. One is InVideo AI. Can you see? This is. But if you are downloading, the pixel quality will be reduced. Only then you can download at free of cost. Otherwise, it is not possible. One more is there, GenTube, but it takes time. Or Canva also you can create.
Okay.
You can create.
Poor Selvi, if we have time, can we be little more informative on Canva?
When now, Ji? Immediately?
Yeah, if it's possible.
Canva
पे हाँ,
PPT maker
for
is
just
fine. Okay, I will just show maybe if anybody.
because Canva is such a everybody uses Canva mostly, na, that's why I'm
Yes,
saying.
yes.
Yeah.
So my projects itself, I'll share. See, all the projects like whatever I created is here.
It creates PPT also, it creates slideshow also.
PPT.
This is
So
a
this
Canva is a
PPT
good
I
option for
created
everyone.
yes, I created this PPT using Canva. It creates with the template, everything. We have to just give, the first slide, and then you can see the second slide, followed by till package slide, whatever you want. So you can just go to elements. What do you want to generate? Yes, you can
We
click
can
here. We can
add
generate. You
many
can
things from elements also.
These are the
Yeah.
elements. Yes. If you want to create a video or images or graphics or music, whatever is it, you can just click here. So let's take like if you want to create a video, right? So what is the video about? Okay. A video on photosynthesis. I'm just giving for grade 4 and above. 4 and 5. I will just mention search. Already the video might be there. The available videos may also be there, or you can also create some video on. Okay, if I search when I'm not getting anything, just click generate. Sometimes by searching already generated videos you will get. Now you can create. Takes time.
Can
complete.
Canva make any
So this is one PPT which I created.
Please
I'll
go
try to
ahead.
show. It takes time, G. Video generation, no. Can you hear me?
Yes, yes, poor Selvi ji, we
Ah.
can hear you.
Yeah. So since it is video generation, it is taking time.
Canva में just आप summarize बता दो
Video
ना
is ready,
what
ready,
exactly.
ready.
Yes.
Ready.
Okay.
Video is ready. You can see here. Oh, already it is superimposed upon that. One second. I'll close my presentation. This itself will clean. This is the video which I have created. No. We just gave. That's all. It's a very short video. So for grade 4 and 5 students, I think if we need to edit, editing takes time. Actually, if we need to edit in this, we have to work on that. We can download the generated video. We can download. So while downloading, yes, now it is downloaded as MP4. So with the same standard only, the clarity only it will be downloaded. Here it is not a problem. Whereas if it is a lengthy video, then it will show like what standard, whether it could be downloaded or not, or something with this symbol. No, can you see here like crown symbol and all? We can't do it because it is all under paid version. That's all. So one of the project, even I want for activity purpose, I created this event. This is another presentation readily available. I just wanted to conduct a quest. So a mini mystery game. So this slideshow was created. I slightly altered, not much. So this is also an activity. You can see how to play, and then the question followed by first. Initially, I will not give any clues. I will just give the question alone. Who am I? What am I? Like that. Then the clues are provided. From that clues, then the connect. It is like a connect game. Then they will reveal the answer. So this is how this will be conducted. So even I generated. I thought if time permits, I will connect with this for this session. But since we are extending ourselves in AI tools, no, so we didn't find time for other activities. So this is about the elements when you're generating, like editing part also to be done. You can create here. See, when you just type your text itself, you will get lot of options. You can choose any one template from that, and then automatically, if you click here, you will get edit option. If you wanted to edit, see, you can just click here and then select, rewrite the text, whatever you want, or delete, insert another new text, change the font, change the color, all that normal editing in PPT, what you're doing, same way you can do it. For PPT editing and all you can do. Video editing, it actually track by track we need to see, and seconds by seconds we have to see, and what we want to filter, crop, edit, we can do. That's all. Yes, G.
Any doubts? We will be sending you some notes on this session. which we have done right now. So you will be getting all the information in that, and we will be sending this recording also. So now, if any query regarding any AI tool, please go ahead. Anyone, any query? No doubts? The session was good
Ma'am,
or the confusion is good?
ma'am, this AI tool is 100% replaceable to Blackboard teaching. Blackboard teaching
Yes,
we do generally, na. So the
sir.
so we can use 100% and replace the Blackboard teaching. AI tool we can use
100%
100%.
it will not replace. I will tell you, are you interested in sitting and writing lesson plan? As a
Yes.
It will
teacher,
make
you are interested,
work easy. It will make your work
makes your work
easy.
easy.
That's
Okay.
it.
See,
Correct.
Our teacher can't be
prepare
replaced
question
by AI
paper.
tools. Never.
Now, we are not writing questions on the blackboard. We are distributing the question paper, or we are showing the question paper on the screen, even if
Assignments,
it is
yes.
formative assessment, worksheet and all questions are ready. You can just go solve it in the blackboard. Questions you show, flash here.
Correct.
So parallelly you work with both the blackboard as well as this. Then your time
Really?
is saved. It will in 40 minutes you can finish. Then how we will complete the portion?
Correct.
Yes. So
Really
that's
Yeah,
good.
all.
Pooja ji, you want to ask something? Can we create a student performance sheet for the year by using AI tool?
Report card comment is there. AI tool will not do. ChatGPT will do if you give all the inputs. All the inputs about each and every student, whatever you collected.
We have to give all the
Of
inputs.
course. Otherwise, how AI will know the student performance? Teachers only will know the performance. AI is a supportive tool. That's all. If you give all the inputs, then it will properly tabularize and give the percentage and all that. Maybe graph also it will draw and show. That is possible. See, we can completely, we can't
Very true,
replace
Mr.
our
Das.
work.
No technology can replace him.
Completely,
Yes,
it can't be
very true.
replaced. Not possible at all. We are the one directly dealing with students, not the AI.
Poor Selvi ji, Pooja ji wants to know, except Magic A School and Notebook LM, do we have
Yeah.
other tools also
Yes,
which are
I
helpful?
will
Only you
given
can
that.
mention in the chat box.
Yes, yes. Lot of tools are there. While I'm sending the notes, no, so I will give other tools also.
Yeah.
Let them explore.
Yeah, you can go through the notes and you will come to know everything.
Yes.
Really.
Step-by-step guidance will be there. So many tools are there, ma'am.
But what I feel na, poor Selvi, is these 2-3 tools are very easy to
Very
handle.
important
Like
and
Canva,
easy to handle.
Notebook LM and Magic AI.
Yes,
These are very
exactly.
easy to handle.
For PPT making, Canva will be helping you.
Yes.
Just type the topic, get one PPT, alter it, you can edit. Normally, how you are doing, then finally you can download also.
Canva to even a layman can do Canva to.
Anybody
Matlab,
can
I
do.
feel Canva is very easy. When I
Because
started my journey with AI, I started using Canva first. Then I went. It's so easy, Canva. How can somebody's writing something in chat box? Let me read.
Yeah,
Please, you can
I will
unmute yourself now. Why you are writing?
yes.
Unmute yourself.
I will
How
also
can
see.
interaction teacher with the
Is
students?
this tool paid or free? Magic School is free for most of the activities. Per month, you can do 20 activities now. After 1 month, we won't be doing that much. I think you don't want to worry much about that. Google Notebook is absolutely free, except for 1 or 2 tools. I didn't teach the tool also for you. Some data table and one more, the video podcast. Okay, some new tools are there. That alone, beta version. It's called as beta version. That beta version alone is not free. What in the tool which I taught you, poster creation, infographic, mind map, and flashcards. slide deck, quiz, all these are free. You can use it. See, when you're going suddenly to class, you didn't prepare also, no issues. Yesterday, what topic you have taken? Topic alone you type there. Google Notebook will create a quiz immediately, and then you can run and conduct a quiz for 20 minutes and then discuss about it. Finish. The period will be ended. Even a substitution teacher can do the job very easily. That will be very much helpful. But you should have that internet facility and your ID network, all that.
Really?
Yes, in classroom, if smartboard is there, no. So network also should support you to log in through your mail ID to open Google Notebook LM or magicschool.ai, and then you can conduct the quiz. You can instantly create one worksheet and conduct a small assessment. All these are possible. Show the questions on screen. We have direct live quiz creation also, like games, but in fact, like for that, some of the schools may not be accepting that. Online quiz, it is fine. But for offline, anyway, we have to show the questions in the form of normal hard copy printout manner, the cyclo style.
We will be sending the notes in the group itself after some time. The feedback form is in the group. Any doubts, any query, you can send in the group also. We will answer there. And for the timing, if any questions, then please let us know.
Yeah.
Actually, ma'am, there is no doubt till we don't do it on our own, na, 2-3 times, we can't.
Hands-on activity, yeah. Until unless you don't do, yeah. That's why we want everybody should do hands-on activities when we are doing a session. But let's see. Fine, Porcelviji, thank you for your time and efforts for the descriptive PPT. If anything required, please send us the PDF notes so that I can send it to the participants. Dr. Milind, few words from your side. Unmute yourself, please.
I think this quantum computing, it's basically the concept to explore them to multiple possibilities. That's all. But for them, they're very much helpful AI tools, how they have to access. That step-by-step file is there, no? So I will send that. That will be easy for them. They can explore multiple tools. Not only one or two, what I thought today.
At least they say have some options now. Then it will be easy for them to choose.
They can try on their own also.
Yes. Yeah, Dr. Milind, waiting for you to comment.
Yeah, good evening all. Dr. Milind Bachekar here. It was very informative and interesting session. And now AI is much needed. And what is happening in most of the government schools as well as private schools. So let it be ICSE, let it be residential, let it be day school or CBSE or state board. So the conditions are not welcoming to the extent what we are expecting, or rather what the new generation students, next generation students are expecting, and especially after a post-lockdown period. See, what is happening is teacher, say for example, math teacher, please don't take it personally. Say I'm giving example from my observation of 2-3 math teachers who have worked with me in 2-3 schools out of many schools. Okay, so they will expect students to keep quiet in the class, and they will come with one sum which they will solve on the board, and they will not allow them to move also. And then they will give one example, then some exception, then they will ask them to solve 2-3, and then 5 as the homework. So this is traditional method. Then science, they will take classroom session, and they will try to ask the children to imagine. Sometimes science is known for learning with experimentation, and most of the time teachers don't take them to lab. Sometimes labs are not equipped, or they are not upgraded by the management. Sometimes that is our practical problem as the teachers or the educators. And what happens, all the time, teachers are not preparing themselves. They will be having family problems, they will be having some issues, they will reach late, or many other things, health issues or climatic conditions, there will be no electricity, and many things don't support. But now what happens? Children, they are having access to mobiles and laptops at home. Uh, if we take into consideration after this COVID lockdown, and many parents have given separate mobile, particularly especially to high school girls, okay, and even boys, they have access to their mom's mobile, and they actually, if they have at least little fear or concern about the studies, after playing games, after watching these cartoons, they sometimes also Google and try to find out about their lessons, and they come well prepared compared to the teacher who goes without any preparation, and that becomes a problem. And in some schools where there are smart classes, and that time it comes automatically, but children are more prepared to ask many unexpected questions to the teacher. In such cases, if teacher equips themselves
Milind,
yeah,
network
hello.
issues are there.
Yeah. Sorry for that. But what I wanted to convey, or what I wanted to share, I'm sure that it has reached to you, and it is taken.
Yes, you're
Hello.
right, exactly.
Yeah.
Yes, because the children are very well informed nowadays because
And
of all
very
these
true.
gadgets and the uptrending technology. They are much familiar more than teachers. So it is really we are in need. The teachers definitely they need to equip double the time than the students. Only then they can gain control over the students in the class. Otherwise, it is really problematic.
Yes, very true. Very true. We are trying, that's why we are trying and keeping AI sessions every month to equip
Okay.
educators with AI.
Yeah, thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, Dr. Milind. Thank you, Por Selvi ji.
Thank
And
you. Thanks for the
we will be
opportunity.
sending all the details in the group, so go through it. Thank you, everyone, for joining us. We'll be meeting next week again. Thank you.
Thank you all. Good evening.
Thank
Bye.
you.
Thank you.